How to send crypto on Zengo app. Are you guys facing issues to send crypto on Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Zengo app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now choose the tap on send button. After you click on send button, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. Once you select the crypto asset, now enter the recipient wallet address or tap the QR code icon to scan their address directly. Next, type the amount you want to send, then tap next. Double check all the details including the address and amount. Once you're sure, tap send and confirm the transactions. Your crypto will be on its way. Always make sure the network matches one used by recipient to avoid failed transfers. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to send crypto on Zengo wallet. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.